Welcome back to the next video tutorial on Google My Business Account Profile Manager. After you select this, you proceed and click on Next. Do you want to add a location customer can visit, like a store or office? Yes. Then click Next. This is another area you have to be very intentional and pay attention to, because if you don't give correct details right here, your account may probably not to verify, because Google wants to be sure you are a real dealer of the business you deal with. So getting your address very correct is very important when it comes to creating a Google My Business account. Then the first thing is to select your country. Search for Nigerian, you can search for Ghana, you can search for South Africa, any country you are. Then select it from the list and click on the country first before you proceed on other things. I'm looking for Nigeria. Okay, Nigeria, good. Then street address. Your street address must very correct. Street, Lagos, Iceland. Okay, after that, you will have to put local government areas. Local government area is Island local government, city, Lagos. Then postal code. These are another areas you have to be very intentional about. Don't just put any code here, because your postal code is very important for map to locate that address. That your postal code is what map we use to locate your account. So don't just put anything. If you don't know, what you have to do is to come to your browser, click Lagos Island postal code. Then click on this. You have a list of different postal code. How will you now know the one that serve your areas? Click on each postal code and map will give you the area that postal code serves. If you can zoom this map, this 10225 serves Tinubu Square. Then if your area is close to Tinubu Square in Lagos Island, then you choose this postal code. Then go back again. If that doesn't serve your area, then click on another one. This one serves some areas here which Google does. Google doesn't found the name of that areas. You understand? But the one that serve my areas is this 10227. Let me click on it. Yes, can you see it? Can you see it? Apapa Amusement Park, which is Lagos Island. Then this one is what serve my own particular areas. So I will now copy this code and then go back here, come back here and put it right here. 102273. Okay, now once you do that, the state, then you have to select the state. You have to choose the state you are, or you are listing your business to. I'm listing this business under Lagos State. Then once you complete this, click on Next. Yeah, like I told you, you can see Google now found all the keyword names since I have already had New Life to that business name. Google now push out some accounts that attach with New Life, which is this kind of account is what I am looking for. If maybe Google think I might already have an account before that I don't know, then if none of this account is yours, just click on none of these and proceed to Next. Do you provide delivery or home and office visit? Yes. Click Next. Add area you serve. Google give you an option now to extend your services to other areas close to the address you should. Now I create my business on Lagos Island, so I will have to select some kind of areas that are close to Lagos Island, so that when people are searching for what I'm doing in those areas, Google will pump up my account to them. So let me list few out of them, which I don't want to take a lot of time here. I think you have up to 20 or 25 you can choose, but let me type 3 as an example so that you can follow it up. You can fill it all when you are creating an account. I just want to make this as an example for these tutorials. What are the places that are close to island? Ikoyi, Lagos, Victoria Island, Lagos, Victoria Island, Victoria Island, Aja. So you keep listing till you exhausted all the chances you have to list. After you're done with it, proceed to next. Here is another stage you have to very serious about. There are 2 things that you will have to give here. Number 1, phone number. Second, website. Phone number is very important, but website is an optional. If you don't have, just click on I don't have a website. Google will offer you a Google free website. If you want to proceed to have that, click on it. If you don't want to proceed to have that, you can skip it and proceed. Later, when you have a website, you can come and put it, but I won't advise you to come back later, because not putting anything on that website may affect your account not to get verified. Instead of that, go to your business WhatsApp, copy your business WhatsApp link and put it there to serve as temporary website link. Later on, when you have a website, you can come back and edit it and put it there. If you don't want to do that, there are so many free platforms you can use to create a website. Google also have a free product called blogger.com. You can use Blogger to create a website and generate a link and put it there. So many platforms also like Mailchimp, GetResponse, System iOS. Many platforms give you an access to create a free website. So anyone you lay your hand on, just make sure you put something there. And if you know that you don't want to do that, then you can settle for free Google website, pending the time you have money to hold a website and come back and edit it. But let me quickly focus on phone number. Number 1, if you are not in Nigeria, you have to click here and select your country on the list. After you select your country on the list, then you proceed and put your phone number there. Since I've selected my country on the list, I just have to proceed and write my number direct. So I've input my number, so you have to input your number to when you get to this stage. And I have to input my website. I have to put my website, which is https://shopnewlife.com/business startup. So once you do that, then proceed to click on next. Stay in know, want update and recommend for you for your business on Google? Yes. Click on next. You can see phone code verification. Get a code via text or voice call. Select a way to get verification. When you click on next, I don't want to verify later, so I have to verify right now. Then proceed and click on next. As I told you, when you pass through Google Map, you have a chances of getting your account verified very quickly than passing through web, and this is exactly what you are seeing right now. So I will have to click on text verification. You can see I'm trying to click on text verification, but Google decided to give me a call verification. And if you have this kind of offer, what you have to do is get your pen down and your Bible, then listen very carefully to the answering machine or to the voice that will call the code very quickly and write it down. So I will have to click on next. After you receive the code, either through by text or through by call, and you input the code, then your account will now be verified. You will see you are now verified. After your account has been verified, you will now click on the next to complete all the account information, because it's very important to do that. Along the line, if you don't receive the text or you don't receive the code and your account is not verified, click on the next and proceed to complete all the information of the account. When you now complete it, you upload your profile, your account pictures, your cover picture of the account, and you upload photo on your account. Come back to the account again and click on get your account verified. You will now redirect back to how you can begin the process to verify your account until you exhaust the chances given to you when you are clicking on the call on the text and you don't receive the call. After then, you will redirect to call or to contact Google support or Google Help Center. Then when you see that, then you click on Google contact. You'll be asked some few questions concerning about what you want them to do. Then you can easily select what you want them to do or how you want to go about it. I will give you more information when I get to the video how you can solve your issue on business suspended or account disabled. Since I have already complete all the information before I reach here, as you see when I was filling the form, then I put everything. Then you can now see that my business are now visible to customer online. That is how to get your account verified and make it visible to Google Map. The second video shows how you can create an account and get it verified through Google search engine. But like I said from the start of my video, that few years ago, Google have already changed some things from their platform and they have upgraded their platform algorithm. So people found it difficult to verify account through search engine. That is why if you want to get verified very quickly, make sure you pass through Google Map. Because Google Map will easily identify or locate your address before you got to verification page. And if you want to use Google Web, that is not a problem, but make sure you do your research very well. You locate your address very well on the map before you proceed. If not, it will be difficult for you to get a verification code. Right now, my account is live. What do I need to do now is to start posting all the time on this account to fill it up so that when customer reach or search for me, my page or my profile account will be visible to them. I have given you 2 ways on how you can put your business or listing your business on Google. One through search engine and the second one is through map. And these are the 2 legal ways to listing your business on Google. Go ahead now and do that. Join me in the next video on other things to do on how your account will be ranking on the Google search and Google Map. See you in the next video.